I'm guessing there must have been some problems with compliance with the privacy laws with Squarespace's native cookies banners, because they have completely revamped the whole process. Now, this is a good thing for Squarespace because it was needed. There wasn't much control over the styling or what you were able to put on the cookie banner, and now we have a whole lot more control over that. So overall, this is a good thing. Let's jump in and see exactly how to set this up. Okay, so here we are in my demo website, and to get to the cookies banner settings, you're going to go into the settings cog there, and under website here, it is right here, fourth one down, cookies and data privacy. And you can see here the cookie banner is toggled on, so that controls whether the thing is on at all or not, and you want to have that on. Then you can customize the banner style here. We'll come back to that in just a second, though. We want to talk about some of these other controls. So you can see here, there's the accept all button. So you can change what that says, actually. Like you can make it say just accept or accept all, or completely change the wording, I guess, if you wanted to. The manage cookies button is on right now, but you can turn that off if you wanted. I like to give people the option to be able to manage their cookies, though, so I leave that on. And then the decline all button, again, you can, and then the manage cookies button too, you can change what it says, like capitalize that C to make it match up with these others. And then you have, okay, so the decline all button was just turned off. Like I said, I like to leave that on. Here's the disclaimer text that you see here. This is kind of, I guess I could make that match up with what my button actually says. Same thing here. So I can, all right. So all that matches up now, but that's just the stock text that Squarespace uses, which works. And then you have the layout of the cookies preferences. So if you had manage cookies, no, that's still on there. So anyhow, this just puts either a sub footer or a pill down at the bottom of the screen for people that are viewing the website, to where they can at any time go down there and click on that. Even if they've already accepted all on it, they can still go down to the pill or the sub footer at the bottom of the screen and manage their cookies preferences after the fact. So then the activity log, you're going to want to leave that on so that you can gather analytics on your website. So we will save that. And then, as I said, we would come back up here and customize the banner style. So you click that, and that loads, and then you can see here what it looks like. So I'm going to move myself out of the way, and then you see it's on the lightest one color theme, and you can change that. So you can change it to darkest. You want to have it be something that contrasts with what you're seeing here, like it's a black background, so the white contrasts with that pretty well. You can see the different color themes actually change the color of the buttons. Go to one that had that got the gray. Now, if you chose that theme, that's one way to change the color of the buttons, is by choosing the different color themes here. But like, let's say that you were on this color theme right here, lightest 2, but you still wanted these buttons to be black. Well, to change that, then you would have to go back into the colors, the color palette on the color themes on the site styles, and change that real quick. Before we do that, though, I'm going to show you can change it from the bottom left to the top to back to the bottom left, but you can put it really anywhere, or you can just have it across the bottom. I like to do that across the bottom. A lot of times I've been seeing more and more people do like bottom left. So let's leave it like that. And then I'm going to show you how to change the color of the buttons. So you're going to go back into this and go to your colors. And it was that lightest 2 color theme. And then you're going to scroll down until you get to buttons. And then you would have to change, let me get off of that again. So you change that to black, change that to black, secondary button, primary button, tertiary button. background's turned to black. And then if we went back into the cookie banner, you can see that even though that's on the lightest 2, it still changed those all to black on the background. So that's all there is to it. Now, I'm not a lawyer, so I can't tell you whether how well that covers you legally speaking with the native cookies banner or the native cookie banner that Squarespace has. But the guys over at Jernigan can, and they can set you up with a cookies banner that will for sure cover everything from a legal aspect, set you up with a privacy policy, set you up with terms and condition policy, a disclaimer, all the things legally speaking that you would ever need. I will put a link for them in the video description down below. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this about Squarespace. And if you'd like me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the video description down below as well.